Every student planning for masters has some goals and aspirations in mind, and working at one of the big four accounting firms in the world is definitely like a dream come true for me. Hi, I am Rishabh Singh, a PGDM student at Vivekanand Business School, Mumbai. I got placed in Campus Drive at Deloitte as tax consultant, even though I am a fresher. This was due to the quality of education offered in the program that helped me understand corporate lifestyle and values. PGDM course at VBS offers a curriculum that is kept up to date with the changing trends in the industry. The knowledge of analytics, along with specialization-based certifications, guest lectures by experts, live projects and internships that are part of the program all contributed in making me industry ready. Even with the pandemic situation, the institute hosted several webinars and panel discussions with corporate guests all around the globe. It would have been difficult for us to receive such an exposure if it had been done offline. Being a proud student of VBS, I wish Institute all the very best for its future endeavors so that it may triumph the management education in India. Thank you VBS for helping me launch my corporate career at a world-renowned company like Deloitte.